Sealed packaging protects notes and simplifies transport.
Each value has unique colors, structures, and security combinations.
Today's euros build on decades of banknote design experience. Inside these walls, Europe's money is born. Layers of security protect every stage of production.
Only authorized staff can enter the money factory.
Multiple access points separate public space from secure zones.
Biometric verification ensures absolute identity control.
Beyond the lobby lies the true heart of production, the paper itself. Euro notes begin not as wood pulp, but as pure cotton fiber. Cotton gives each banknote its distinctive feel and durability. Fibers are broken down and mixed into a precise pulp slurry. Digital systems monitor density, moisture, and purity in real time. Careful ratios ensure consistent thickness and strength. The slurry spreads into a thin, uniform sheet. Colored and fluorescent fibers are added directly into the paper matrix.
Continuous security threads become an integral part of each future banknote.
Watermarks are sculpted into the paper, not printed on top.
Controlled drying locks the security structure into place. Kilometers of specialized paper roll off every day. Optical systems catch imperfections invisible to the naked eye.
Any flawed section is tagged long before printing begins.
Approved rolls move into guarded paper vaults. Every roll is counted, logged, and traceable by serial code. From paper vaults, the material enters the printing stage. Offset printing lays down the first complex color patterns.
Intricate line work and micro patterns are etched into metal plates.
Multicolor offset printing builds up the main background designs.
Each sheet carries dozens of future banknotes in perfect registration.
Operators inspect color density and alignment against master samples.
Consistent color is critical to both aesthetics and security.
After offset, the notes receive their distinctive raised print. Enormous pressure forces paper into the engraved grooves.
Every sheet now carries both visual and tactile security.
Intaglio inks must dry under carefully controlled conditions.
Once dry, more advanced security elements are added.
Holographic foils bring dynamic visual protection to each note.
Temperature and humidity are tightly regulated to preserve print quality.
Special inks change appearance depending on viewing angle. Under UV, invisible elements glow in specific colors. Automated checks ensure every security element responds correctly. Lines that look solid are actually words, readable only under magnification.
Unique serial numbers identify each individual banknote.
Sequences are managed so every denomination can be traced.
Before cutting, each sheet undergoes rigorous inspection. Rejected sheets are securely shredded, never reaching circulation. Only flawless sheets proceed to the cutting stage.
Industrial blades slice sheets into exact note dimensions.
Multiple passes ensure perfectly straight and clean edges.
Freshly cut notes begin to resemble familiar currency.
Fast counting machines verify the exact number of notes in each bundle.
Only precisely counted stacks move onward for packaging. Paper bands clearly label denomination and count.
Each bundle carries codes linking it to its production history.
Quality control teams perform additional spot checks by hand.
Trained eyes confirm that complex details are perfectly reproduced.
Feel, sight, and alignment all must meet strict standards.
Approved bundles head toward brick assembly.
Dozens of bundles come together into standardized bricks of cash.
Sealed packaging protects notes and simplifies transport. Research teams constantly evolve designs to stay ahead of counterfeiters.
Precision robotics reduce handling errors and speed up changeovers.
Engraved plates are guarded like currency themselves.
Strict rules limit what staff can bring into production areas.
Dozens of machines work together in a carefully orchestrated process.
From raw fibers to finished notes, every step is tightly controlled. Real-time oversight allows quick reaction to any anomaly.
A central hub coordinates printing, inspection, and logistics data.
Redundant safety systems protect both staff and the product.
Software makes micro adjustments to keep drift within micrometer tolerances. Calibration sheets verify that every color and feature aligns perfectly.
Each shift begins with a review of targets, security rules, and quality goals.
Multiple specialized stages combine into a single continuous flow.
Today's euros build on decades of banknote design experience.
Each value has unique colors, structures, and security combinations.
From secure factories to people's hands, this is how the euro is printed and protected.